Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of financial products, each promising to be the solution to all your money woes? You're not alone. Whether you're trying to build credit, monitor your score, or just get a handle on your overall financial health, it can feel overwhelming. There are so many apps, services, and websites vying for your attention, each with its own set of features, fees, and fine print. And one question that often comes up, especially when dealing with credit monitoring and financial management tools, is, how much is this going to cost me? Today, we're diving deep into one such platform, Borrowell. Specifically, we're tackling the burning question, is Borrowell free to use? Now, before we jump into the specifics of Borrowell's pricing structure, let's take a quick step back and understand why credit monitoring and financial management tools are so important in the first place. Your credit score is essentially a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess the risk of lending you money. A higher score generally means better interest rates on loans, credit cards, and even mortgages. Monitoring your credit report allows you to catch errors or signs of identity theft early on, which can save you a lot of time, money, and stress down the road. Beyond just credit scores, tools that offer financial management features can help you track your spending, create budgets, and identify areas where you can save money. In today's complex financial landscape, having access to these kinds of tools can be a game changer. So, with that context in mind, let's get back to Borrowell. The short answer to the question, is Borrowell free to use, is yes, with some caveats. Borrowell offers a core set of features that are completely free. This includes access to your Equifax credit report and score, credit monitoring with alerts for key changes, and personalized financial product recommendations. Now, you might be thinking, what's the catch? It's a valid question. Businesses need to make money, and Borrowell is no different. The way Borrowell operates its free services is primarily through what's known as affiliate marketing. This means that when you use Borrowell to explore financial products like loans, credit cards, or mortgages, and you end up applying for and getting approved for one of those products through Borrowell's platform, Borrowell receives a commission from the financial institution. This is a common business model for many online financial platforms. It allows them to offer valuable services for free to users while generating revenue through partnerships with other companies. It's important to understand this because it explains why Borrowell might suggest certain products to you. They are often products from their partners. However, it's also important to emphasize that Borrowell states that their recommendations are based on your financial profile and are designed to be relevant to your needs. They are not obligated to push only partnered products. You are always free to do your own research and choose the products that best suit your individual circumstances. So, to reiterate, the core features of Borrowell, such as credit score monitoring, credit report access, and credit monitoring alerts, are free. You won't be charged a monthly fee or any other direct fees for using these features. Now, are there any paid features or services offered by Borrowell? At the time of this recording, Borrowell primarily focuses on its free offerings. They do not have premium subscription tiers for their core product. This is a key differentiator for them in the market. Many other credit monitoring services charge monthly fees for access to similar features. However, it's worth noting that the financial landscape is constantly evolving, and companies like Borrowell may introduce new features or services in the future. It's always a good idea to check their website or app for the most up-to-date information on their offerings and any potential changes to their pricing structure. Let's recap the key takeaways regarding Borrowell's pricing. Core credit monitoring and reporting, free. This includes your Equifax credit report and score, credit monitoring alerts, and personalized product recommendations. Affiliate marketing model. Borrowell generates revenue by receiving commissions from financial institutions when users apply for and are approved for products through their platform. No current paid tiers. At the time of this recording, Borrowell does not offer premium subscription tiers for its core credit monitoring product. Now, let's address some common concerns people might have about using a free service like Borrowell. One concern is data privacy. It's crucial to understand how your data is being used, especially when dealing with sensitive financial information. Borrowell has a privacy policy that outlines how they collect, use, and protect your data. It's always a good idea to review the privacy policy of any online service you use. Another concern might be the accuracy of the information provided by Borrowell. Borrowell pulls its credit data from Equifax, one of the major credit bureaus. While credit reports can sometimes contain errors, Borrowell provides tools and resources to help you dispute any inaccuracies you find on your report. So, is Borrowell free to use? Yes, the core features that most users are interested in are completely free. This makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking to monitor their credit, improve their financial health, or simply get a better understanding of their financial situation. It's important to remember that while Borrowell provides valuable tools and resources, it's not a substitute for professional financial advice. If you have complex financial questions or need personalized guidance, it's always best to consult with a qualified financial advisor. Borrowell offers a free and accessible way to manage your financial health. Understanding their business model and the free features they offer is key to making informed decisions about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.